Are your iPhone photos not showing in the Photos app or image library? Whether your pictures are missing, not loading, or not appearing after you took them, don't worry. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Sometimes the app can glitch. Close the Photos app from the app switcher, reopen it and check again. This can refresh your photo library instantly. If the photos are still not there, restart your iPhone. A quick restart can fix temporary bugs. Turn off your iPhone by pressing the side button and volume up or down button simultaneously. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. This should refresh system processes and bring your photos back. Next thing you should check is iCloud Photo Sync. Your photos might not be syncing properly. For this, open the Settings app, tap on your name from the top, then tap on iCloud. Next, look for the Photos option. It will show the amount of photos and videos that are stored in your iCloud account. Tap on the Photos option and on the next page, make sure Sync this iPhone toggle is turned on. On the same page, make sure to select the Download and Keep Originals option. This will download and save all the photos stored in your iCloud account on your iPhone. After performing these steps, wait for syncing to complete. Photos may take time to appear if syncing is paused. Next up, check Recently Deleted folder. Your photos might have been accidentally deleted. Open the Photos app. Tap on the Collections tab from the bottom. Scroll down and tap on Recently Deleted. Here you will find all the photos and videos that have been deleted in the past 30 days. Restore any missing photos. You can also find lost photos in the hidden album. Access the Collections tab in the Photos app. Tap on the hidden album and see if your photos are there. You can easily unhide them as well. Low storage on your iPhone can prevent photos from saving and appearing in the Photos app. Open the Settings app, tap on General, and here tap on iPhone Storage. Free up space if needed. Your iPhone needs storage to display and save photos, so make sure there is space available on the device. Incorrect date and time settings can mess up photo sorting. Go to Settings, tap on General, here tap on Date and Time, and enable Set Automatically. If date and time are not correct on your device, photos might appear in the wrong timeline. Software bugs can cause missing photos. To update your device to the latest version of iOS, go to Settings, tap on General, and here tap on Software Update, and install any available updates. If photo syncing is stuck on your device, signing out and logging back into iCloud can also help. For this, open the Settings app, tap on your name from the top, scroll down and tap on the Sign Out option. After signing out, log back into your account. If nothing has worked so far, reset all settings on your device. For this, open the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset, and finally tap on Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data but fixes system issues. So these are the best ways to fix iPhone photos not showing in the gallery. In most cases, syncing iCloud or restarting your device will solve the issue quickly. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe and check out the channel for more iPhone tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.